In this video, I'll show you how you can change the currency in the Emirates app. So go ahead and open up the Emirates app and it should look something like this depending on your region. Now you can change the currency when you book a flight. So go to book and then choose your destination and your dates and then click search. And then when you search for a flight, it will show you most likely either in the country that you're in or in the country that you're flying from. So you can see mine is in Thai baht at the top. Now, all of these other prices are in Thai baht as well. Now let's change it to USD. So if we go to change currency at the top, you'll be able to click on that and then select another currency. So you can click on one and it's still going to show the prices in Thai baht, but it will show you the conversion at the top here. So you can see the total lowest price for one passenger is going to be 1,028 USD. If you click on each of these flights and select them, you can click on the best flights for you. And then at the end, it will convert the final price into USD as well. So we'll continue to passengers and you'll be able to then fill in your details. You can see here the price at the bottom is 34,000 baht and you can see the approximate currency exchange to be $1,028. That's the only way you can change the currency on the Emirates app. It only gives you an estimate, but I hope that video helped you out. Let me know if it did.